Surround sound! So, what would you say differs you guys from like the other a cappella groups?
Vocal percussion, for one. We don't do that.
No, we don't.
We don't make our voices sound like percussion. We also don't do the traditional melody accompaniment style that a lot of a cappella does.
What would you say is like the most challenging part about being in this a cappella group?
In this acapella group specifically,
Yeah.
half of us have ADHD.
Oh, it is so much more than half.
Most of us have ADHD.
Half of us have ADHD, half of us have undiagnosed.
Yeah.
Listening to other people and blending, like focusing, making it sound like your voices are the same.
What's the most exciting thing?
Well, half of us have ADHD. And sometimes it's just really fun to just be with the group and kind of have a good time.
This musical style is really, really, really fun. So getting to do that and explore it with this group is a blast.
Coming to rehearsal.
Yeah,
I
me with my
really-
friend.
I honestly really like all the guys in this group.
How did surround sound specifically come about?
In the late 20th century, I believe the group was called Random Acts of Music.
Oh yeah,
And
I do remember.
it became formally Surround Sound in, I think it was 2003, just a reworking and a restructuring of another a cappella club into a more cohesive structured unit.
you know, all the good evening.
Hey! Guys, come here!
Where's the camera? There's the camera.
You should love nobody but me. You're mine now. Come here, idiots! Love nobody but me. That's all. That's it. Angels are the fellas that hang around with. Don't pay no mind. But I'm telling you one more time. You don't, you won't, no way. I say you do, you does, you and you was, you were, you couldn't, you are, you shouldn't love nobody but me. Yeah. Da da ba da ba da ba da ba da 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 ba da ba da ba da da ba da ba do ba ba da ba da ba ba ba. Teach us a
How many bases that know the bass part of the song?
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a great warm welcome waiting for me, where the crowds will cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be." I will find my way. I can go the distance. I'll be there someday. If I can't be strong, I know every mile will be worth my while. I will go the distance. I'll be right where I belong. Down an unknown road to embrace my fate, though that road may wander, it'll lead me to you, and 1,000 years will be worth the wait. It may take a lifetime, but somehow I'll see it through. I will find my way. I can go the distance. I'll be there someday. If I can't be strong, I know every mile will be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. Where I belong. The glory is the hardest part, for a hero's strength is measured by his heart. His heart, no, by his heart. I will be obedient, and maybe I can go the distance. I will face for the world, and I'll be fearless. my